These subtle touches make a huge difference. Every woman desires a deep connection and special care from her partner, and touching her in the right way can fulfill this. There are 9 sensitive spots on a woman's body that, when touched, can stir powerful and profound feelings. However, not many men truly grasp the importance of these spots or know how to use them to make a moment truly special. Understanding these 9 sensitive areas can transform an ordinary moment into an extraordinary one for a woman. When a man knows about these spots and touches them with skill, he can create an environment filled with excitement and longing. This understanding can not only enhance the physical closeness, but also deepen the emotional bond between them. It's key to note that the final 4 points are particularly impactful. They have the power to elevate the intimate experience to an entirely new level. When a man knows how to properly and respectfully stimulate these points, he can forge an emotional bond so strong that a woman feels deeply drawn to share a closer connection with him. Therefore, it's vital to focus on and understand these sensitive areas on a woman's body. It's not just about knowing where they are, but also recognizing how touch plays a crucial role in expressing emotions and building intimacy. When a man perfects this skill, he can become an extraordinary lover and a highly sought-after partner for any woman fortunate enough to be close to him. Before we get started, share what you think we'll talk about in this video to see if you can figure it out. Once you've made your guess, we'll move on. Number 1. Her palms. Touching the palms is a subtle yet effective way to spark interest and attraction. When you hold her hand, it forms a physical connection that speaks louder than words. This act is emotionally significant and can express various feelings such as interest, support, and a sense of security. Number 2. Her neck. The nape is an area often ignored, but it can greatly enhance closeness and passion. Gently massaging the back of her neck can trigger enjoyable feelings of anticipation. It's crucial to perform this gesture with kindness and consideration, showing that you care with every touch. Number 3. The lumbar region. When you touch this spot, you're giving both physical and emotional support. This gesture makes her feel protected and supported, fostering a space where trust and intimacy bloom. It ignites feelings of longing and charm in a woman. Number 4. Feeling her hair. Often seen as a symbol of femininity, is a very delicate area that can bring a lot of joy and excitement to a woman. When you run your fingers through her hair, it's more than just a simple touch. It's a way of making a deep connection that can deeply affect her feelings and her body. Touching a woman's hair can start a wave of delightful feelings all over her body. From the moment your fingers glide through her hair, she might feel a cozy and soothing sensation that makes her feel cherished and adored. Your gentle strokes can be comforting and give her a feeling of safety and happiness. Also, hair is a very personal and private part of a woman. By letting you touch her hair, she is letting you into a vulnerable space, which can make your emotional bond stronger. This trust and openness can lead to a feeling of unity and closeness that is essential for any deep and lasting relationship. For many women, having their hair stroked makes them feel instantly cared for and special. It's like a clear sign of your love and attention, which can bring about feelings of thankfulness and warmth towards you. This sense of being valued and cared for can make her feel closer to you and fortify the connection you share. To wrap it up, guys, hair isn't just something for looks. It's a doorway to closeness and emotional bonds. By simply running your hand through it, you can spark feelings of comfort, joy, and affection in a woman, building a deep and lasting bond right away. Number 5. Her knee pit. Many people don't realize how sensitive the back of a woman's knees can be. This spot is full of potential for stirring up both romantic and exciting feelings. Because it's a tender and less commonly touched area, it can play a key role in building a closer and more romantic connection with your partner. Picture the impact of softly massaging the back of the knees during a close moment. This gentle and arousing touch in such a spot can set off a wave of delight that flows through a woman's entire body, enhancing her sensitivity and excitement. The secret to maximizing this sensitive spot is to treat it with the same care and focus as any other special spot. Starting with soft and slow massages, using round motions and gentle pressure can boost the feelings and lead to an unforgettable experience for both of you. Number 6. Her toes. While they may not be the first thing you think of when it comes to closeness, a woman's toes are extremely sensitive and filled with potential to evoke enjoyable and deep feelings in a gentle yet powerful way. Gently massaging this area can lead to a meaningful and close bond with your partner. More than just easing physical stress, giving a foot massage is a heartfelt gesture that demonstrates care, thoughtfulness, and value for her. By taking the time to treat her toes well, you are clearly expressing that her comfort and happiness matter to you, which can help build trust and closeness in your relationship. Furthermore, a woman's toes have many nerve endings, making them a key spot for triggering delightful sensations. A careful and soft touch on the feet can make your partner feel relaxed and open to the joy of your touch. Beyond just the physical benefits, a foot massage also carries significant emotional value. By focusing on an area that often goes unnoticed, you show a deep understanding of what your partner likes and needs, which can greatly enhance the emotional connection between you both. Number 7. Ear flaps. While they might not seem obvious when it comes to closeness, the ear flaps are actually a very tender spot that can help spark a profound and thrilling bond with your partner. Although they look plain, the ear flaps have lots of nerve endings that make them very sensitive to touch, leading to thrilling and intense feelings when caressed properly. Lightly biting your partner's ear flaps can deeply enhance your intimate moments. This action is more than just physical. It stirs strong emotional reactions in your partner. When you gently press your lips against this delicate spot, you're expressing a deep desire and passion that can light up the flame of closeness and longing between you two. Furthermore, the ear flaps are linked to the autonomic nervous system, which means touching them can directly boost your partner's sexual excitement and enjoyment. A tender and playful touch on the earlobes can set off a flow of delightful feelings that spread across her body, deepening the intimate moment and strengthening your emotional connection. Be sure to watch for the cues she gives you, and always be mindful of her comfort and openness to the experience. Number 8. The wrists. The wrists, often overlooked in the context of intimacy, are actually one of the most sensitive areas of the human body. The skin here is thin and delicate, making it particularly susceptible to touch. A gentle stroke, or even the lightest pressure, can send ripples of pleasure through her body. By focusing on this area, you can convey a multitude of emotions from tenderness to desire. The act of holding or caressing a woman's wrist is not just about the physical touch. It's about the symbolic act of connection. It's akin to holding a door open to her heart. This area is also directly linked to her pulse, so feeling her heartbeat can create a powerful moment of synchrony between you and her, deepening the emotional connection and enhancing the sense of closeness. By integrating thoughtful wrist touches into moments of intimacy, you communicate a deep respect and appreciation for your partner, nurturing a bond that goes beyond the physical. Number 9. The inner thigh. The inner thigh is a region shrouded in both sensitivity and intimacy. This area, rich in nerve endings and often shielded from casual contact, responds profoundly to a respectful and intentional touch. Engaging with the inner thigh can be an expression of deep trust and understanding between partners. The warmth of a hand placed gently on this area can be both exhilarating and comforting. When touch is applied here, it should be done with a sense of reverence and care, acknowledging the vulnerability involved in allowing someone so close. The caress of the inner thigh not only heightens the physical sensations, but also builds an emotional bridge, communicating desire and admiration in a way that words often cannot. It's a subtle dance of touch that, when done correctly, can evoke a powerful emotional response, reinforcing the bond and enhancing the intimacy of your shared moments. I truly hope you found this message helpful. I'm really proud of you for making it to this point and finishing the video. It shows you're keen on bettering yourself. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Not sure what to write? Just type bold, and I'll know you watched till the end. Haven't subscribed to our channel yet? Don't miss out. Subscribe today and become part of our community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, until next time.